Lights.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we are flying to Chicago Airport from Singapore. Please get ready because this is a 18-hour flight.
Yay!
That's really long.
I'm going to see my mommy.
I'm gonna go see my grandparents. It's gonna be
Ladies
long.
and gentlemen, get ready for takeoff. 3, 2, 1, go!
Oh my God, this is so fun. It's like a
Yay,
roller
Olivia!
coaster.
Mommy, I'm coming, don't worry.
Okay.
Ladies and gentlemen, I am sensing that we have a storm coming our way. Please put your seatbelts on.
Okay. I hate storms.
I'm scared.
I'm scared. I'm really scared. Okay.
Ladies and gentlemen, that was a false alarm. You won't have a storm,
You're kidding.
at least for 1 hour.
Oh,
So
okay.
Thank
you can go to the bathroom and enjoy some of our refreshments with Coke, Fanta, and Sprite.
I think the pilot knows what he's doing.
Yeah, you should.
Oh, okay. Not too sure. Okay. Oh my. Okay.
Ladies and gentlemen, I would just like to let you know that this is my first time, so I might be a bit bumpy.
Oh, okay.
Oh my!
That's kind of scary. Okay.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we do have a storm. Put on your seatbelts now. I am not kidding. We are heading into the storm in like about 30 seconds.
Flight attendant,
Okay.
can I have another seatbelt, please?
Okay, now it comes. Okay. Oh my God. You're kidding me, right?
We're gonna cry.
We're gonna crash. We have to ask the pilot. We're gonna
No,
crash.
no, we're not gonna crash.
We're not gonna
I'm an
crash.
expert.
You're an expert.